Hello and welcome to Devious Crackers. I'm Austin Woods, and today is Tuesday, Vlogmas Day 9, and oh my god, I am so orange. It's because of that light. So that's a thing, and apparently that car was a thing too. I don't know what's happening. It's raining. Yay!
Kwana, watch my cartwheels. Kwanana! That's my cartwheel. I'm in a skirt! I'm Jesus.
The face of Jesus.
You back, Sophie. I'm gonna do it with my eyes closed. I'm scared. I'm really scared. Just don't talk. I got scared too.
Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you guys did like it, please like and subscribe down below. That's a thing down there. Go subscribe to things down there. So I will see y'all later. So as always, stay devious. Bye.